they'll try to be friends with you, but honestly they're not trying to be friends with you. They're just trying to figure out what you got going on in your life and be real nosy and trying to share it with people that they shouldn't be sharing it with. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Albai. I make lifestyle type of content and a little bit of okay, I've been making a lot of chit chats lately, so add that to the type of content I make. Welcome back to my channel. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe because you're gonna like it here. You're gonna like the vibes, so go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button because it does me really good. You know, it makes YouTube know that, you know, you guys are watching and liking and stuff like that. So go ahead and like, because I be seeing views and I only seeing the likes. Go ahead and like, hit the thumbs up, okay? Anyways, today's video is like a little, it's an intimate one for me, okay? It's like a really hits home. But yeah, today's video is about making friends when you're older. I want to say 30 because that's how old I am, but when you're older. Okay guys, why is it so hard making friends when you're older? Like, is it just me? It can't be me because I'm a nice person. I feel like I'm a chill person, like, so it cannot be me, yo. But I think just in general, I feel like by the time like everybody's at this age, they're already so good with whatever group that they have that it's hard for like us to make friends, like other people to make friends. So I feel like most of my friends are like my family members, low-key, like they involve, like they're in my family somehow. I feel like those are most of my friends. I've had a few friends before and like things will fall off, especially in our African culture. It's like you will make friends, like in a married setting especially. You will make friends and the people on the side will try to come in and just break it apart, thinking like maybe this and that, this and that, this and that. Like, I don't know, us Africans have problems, we have issues. That's a topic for another day. But it's been hard. So like I've had friends and then like it will fall off because of something or because of somebody else or like things like that, you know, fitna. But anyway, so like I don't know, it's been hard for me to make friends. It's either like I'm like, now I'm just like, because things have happened to me before, so now I'm just like, can I really trust you? But like I said, like my people, sometimes like you'll find people where like they'll try to be friends with you, but honestly they're not trying to be friends with you. They're just trying to figure out what you got going on in your life and be real nosy and trying to share it with people that they shouldn't be sharing it with. So yeah, like you have situations like that, so you tend to be overprotective of your space. And I'm at a place where my peace comes first. Like, I don't have time for drama. I hate being stressed out. I'm already the type of person, like, I hate being stressed out. So the last thing I want is somebody like coming in and try to like bring more drama into my life and things like that. So it's like they will just try to come in and try to like kind of like make it worse for you. So now it's like I tend to like be very careful who I friend, or like, and I have no friends. I'm at a point where I have no friends because I feel like I can't trust people, and I don't know, and I don't know, like it's hard to make friends. I don't know, like when you were younger you'd be like, hi, you wanna play with me, and you play, or you just go and start talking and they just start talking. But now I'm just like, what am I gonna do? Huh? They're gonna be like, excuse me, you talking to me? You crazy? First of all, everybody be so busy on their phone, like, or something like that. Like, even when you go like in a public setting, like everybody's so busy on their phone because everybody's trying to avoid the awkwardness, to a point where like people just don't talk like the way they used to talk before. So it's like, I don't know. If you know how to make if you know how to make friends, comment down below, because I just need help at this point. Because what? But one of the biggest things that I do want to say, the type of friends I want to make, I want them to be people that will get me closer to Allah. 2024 is a year of me finding myself and getting closer to my creator. with that being said, I don't want random people that are just gonna come into my life and chat and just like gossip or things like that. That's not what I'm looking for. That's not the energy I'm looking for. I'm cutting that off by fact. So that's not the energy I'm looking for. Like, I'm looking for people that are gonna like get me closer to my creator. Like, people are actually gonna push me, make sure like I'm doing things right. I'm like, yeah, you know you shouldn't be doing that, I don't like that. Those are the type of people I want. I want people that I have been like beneficial to me. Like, you can't come into my life and all you add is just gossip, or you can't come into my life and all you want to do is just like, oh, chill, let's go chill. Like, that's not the type of energy I want. Not in 2024. The few friends that I do have, like I have 2 good friends that are not like, no, they're all my family. We connect yourself now. As an African, you know you low-key a cousin with everybody, okay? Your mama gonna bring you somebody and be like, that's your cousin. So I feel like the 2 people that I was thinking about actually were related. We're related. And besides that, it's like everybody else is we have a relationship with. It's either my cousin or something like that. So that's what I do. So I do have friends. I'm not saying I don't have friends. I'm just saying like somebody out of my family member, somebody else, like, you know, like, it's so hard to go, like. And then I think I have this thing where I'm an introvert, low-key. Like, don't get this, and like, don't be fooled. I'm an introvert in a way. Like, I'm mad, I'm very loud and things like that, but I'm an introvert, like, when it comes to people. So it's like, if somebody if let's say, like, okay, recently my daughter had met a friend, right, at school, and that person was like, oh, you want to hang out, and stuff like that. And I was like, oh, okay. And then I started canceling, and that's because, like, I don't know, I'm weird. Like, it's like I don't know, sometimes I just don't like going somewhere. I don't like going out. It's either I really want to go out, or I don't, and I just want to be inside. I'm trying to change that in 2024. I feel like I kind of like I have ADHD, what I've noticed, like, because like I don't like to be bothered, and I'll sit there and I'll just be like a couch potato all day, and I don't want to do nothing. But it's like I can't do that no more. I can't do that no more. I need to do better, okay? But yeah, so I don't know, I tend to like maybe I'll have like a potential where I could make a friend, and it might, I don't want to say laziness, because I know it's not laziness. The ADHD thing also is self-diagnosed, and I think that's what I have. But I noticed that it's like sometimes I'm just like, I don't want to do anything. I don't, and that affects my friendships. But it's very hard making friends in your 30s when you're older. It's hard. You don't even know where to start. You don't know where to go to find friends. It's like, because like most of the time you're either worried about, like, if you have like a family, you're worried about your family, you're so busy with them, or like you're busy with your, like, you know, like I mean, like your actual, like your husband and kids and stuff like that, or you're busy with like your outside, like, you know, family members, like what I said, like my cousin and stuff, that I don't have time to like entertain other people. I mean, like, I'm out of energy. So it's like, I don't know, it's just so difficult, and it can be very saddening, because I've been wanting to get to know new people, you know. I've been wanting to get to know other people, and like, I don't know, but not everybody's welcome. But then I don't be giving everybody a chance like the way they deserve, and it's just so sad. But I don't know, it's just, maybe it's just the age. I'll just be over it. I'll just be like, you know what, whatever circle I have around me, I'll keep. It's quite small, but it's a good circle. But yeah, if I were to add friends, the only type of friends that I would want to add right now is just people that will help me with my religion, honestly. I don't think I want like people to like go, like I said, I have a sister and we're very, very close, so like I have somebody to go out with and stuff like that. But you know, sometimes you want somebody else, because you want to talk certain things that you just don't want to talk, like, I don't know. Anyway, that was just me ranting again, chit-chatting again. But if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that, okay? Help your girl get to that 500. We're almost there. I was so close to 500. I keep saying this because that's what we are. We're probably not there anymore. I don't know. We're so close to 1K. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that. Show support. Don't be fake. Like. comment, share with your friends, share with your other older friends, and talk about how it's so hard making friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video.